So if you look under chord shapes that are movable by barring behind them, this is the C shape. I call that 0, 0, 0, 3. You bar behind it and you have this shape, which is 2, 2, 2, 5, and that will give you the D chord. You could move that up 2 frets and you have the E chord and you have the F chord. That's a lot of chords from C to F. Now next chord would of course be from F to G. Right. So now you have a lot of chords you need, but I'm moving to the A shape. This is the A shape. You move that up 2 frets and bar behind it, like this. You move from A to B to C. So A is 2, 1, 0, 0, and you have 4, 3, 2, 2, that's B. So there's many ways of playing the C chord. Okay, so you move from the A shape, you have the C shape now, and you have the A shape. You bar behind them and move up. So you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. You have all the chords now in major, but there's more. So the F shape here, which is 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, is also movable. So this is another variation of a G chord. And this can also be moved, so this is another variation of A. Right? So look at the shapes on the home page, and you can play all the chords in major. This is D major. You might play it this way. If you play it this way, you should join the Salvation Army or something. So this is the overarching principle. Most chord shapes can be moved up by barring behind them. In minor, this is C minor shape, 0, 3, 3, 3. Oh, let's try with the low G for a bit. So how about I'm taking my C shape, my A minor shape, and my E7 shape, and I'm moving the whole thing up by barring behind it. So using low G. So the same principle, you have the shapes for A minor, G minor, F minor, and D minor. I'm not only fond of moving the F minor shape up by barring behind it, but A minor becomes B minor, becomes C minor. There's 2 versions of C minor. Now G minor is this shape. You can totally move that up a bit. It's a little more complicated, but you can do it. That sounds terrible. The D minor shape would be moved up to an F minor. That means all these shapes, by barring behind them, you can play any chord you want, and you can easily transpose. And that's actually the message about movable chord shapes. We do exactly the same thing with 7th chord, but I'll get back to that a little later. Cheers.